Hello everyone, and welcome back to 2 Minutes with Tyler, the Halloween edition. Tyler's taken advantage of the unlimited PTO policy at UpKeep, so I'm filling in for him today. For those tuning in for the first time, UpKeep is the most innovative, mobile-first maintenance management system on the market. This cloud-based software is helping businesses across many different industries process work orders and track asset performance more efficiently than ever before. I'm honored and excited to have one of my favorite elves with us today, Link from The Legend of Zelda. Link, aside from saving the princess with your magical sword, please tell us about your other superpowers and how you use them here at UpKeep.
Well, I'd like to say I'm the link between our users and a powerful maintenance management solution. I am an iOS developer here at UpKeep. I've been here for about a year. I'm part of the product and engineering team.
Well, you're doing a great job. I mean, my friend Bruce and his technicians at Wayne Enterprises use UpKeep almost every day. They manufacture a lot of my equipment and seem very happy with the features and usability of the iPhone app. They actually really wanted me to ask you if there are any exciting new features coming out soon.
Oh, I'm glad you asked. I think there's definitely some cool stuff in the pipeline. We just released a new total overhaul of the work order details screen, what makes it a lot easier to use. And then we are now working on making it so certain features are going to be available offline as well.
Wow, that's so cool. I can't wait to let them know. If I was to connect you, how would you describe UpKeep to them?
Honestly, I've actually talked to a lot of friends already, and they've all been kind of excited. And the way I describe it is working with a lot of your friends who all happen to be smarter than you. It's a great place to work, and everyone is super hardworking, super motivated, and they're great at what they do. And it's just a great place to grow and watch the company grow too.
That's great. Link, my friend, thank you so much for your time today. I really do appreciate it. And thank you all for tuning in to the special Halloween edition of 2 Minutes with Tyler. We'll see you all next week.